welcome to this lovely townhome in Blossom Valley. This stylish 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome features 1,441 square feet of bright living space. Kitchen boasts granite countertops, breakfast bar with pendant lighting, entry and patio access. Great for your morning coffee or outdoor dining. Master has 2 closets and a recently renovated balcony. Spacious bedrooms offer high-quality plush carpeting. Backyard has 2 side areas for gardening with roses and a vegetable garden. Located in a desirable community with a park-like setting that features an Olympic-sized swimming pool with barbecue area and a newly remodeled clubhouse. Easy access to Highway 85 and 87 and conveniently located near Oakridge Mall, shopping centers, restaurants, library, public transportation, and local farmers market.